Yibunei HaMikdash Hirtzio in the Malai Okor les Ozman.
Baruchim Aboyim, welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn a little bit from my holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague. This week's Parshas is Parshas Vayeshev. In the book of Genesis, chapter 37, verse 2, it says, Elo toldus Yaakov Yosef ben Shvayes Reishana Aryeh Zehov Son v'huyinar b'nei Vilha b'nei Zilpon she'aviv v'yavei Yosef v'stibason elavihem. These are the generations of Jacob. Joseph, being 17 years old, was feeding the flock with his brethren, being still a lad, even with his sons of Bilhah and with the sons of Zilpah, his father's wives. And Joseph brought evil report of them unto their father. Rashi says it's the evil report he brought. Anything that he saw negative about his brothers, his half-brothers, were the children of Leah, he would tell his father. For example, he accused them of eating meat that came from an animal that was still alive. And also he would insult the children of Bil and Zilpah, the handmaidens, calling them slaves. Not only that, but he suspected them of sexual immorality. And for these three, he was smitten. They slaughtered a goat when they sold him, and they didn't eat it alive. They slaughtered it properly. And then this, that he said that they called the other half brothers slaves. Joseph was sold as a slave. And this, that he accused them of sexual immorality. His master's wife, Potiphar's wife, tried to seduce him. So the Heilige Zayda Maharal Prague explains like this: all the evil that he saw. The meaning here is that it doesn't mean that he brought bad news, because really the truth was they didn't do anything bad, but rather he was claiming they did something bad as a eno, which they didn't do. He was accusing them something that they weren't guilty of. Right? It doesn't say that he took out the bad report. But when it says he brought them, it means he just brought it. That anything he saw, he brought. I don't exactly understand what he's saying here, but let's go further. So it says they slaughtered a goat. So even though he wasn't smitten with limb from a live animal, it was because he accused them of that. So God showed them that they weren't. They slaughtered the animals properly. And that's why he was hit. This and from this came problems. So this, that he wasn't that they weren't actually, wasn't actually smitten with the limb from the live animal, was because he was wrong in his suspicions. This is how God measures it. First, God shows someone that he sins, and he brings him, he smites him. That's why it says that they slaughtered the goat. So this woke up Joseph to realize that he sinned. And once he saw that, he realized that he was also wrong and suspecting from the other sins. It's like a judge that they first tell him that he sinned, and then they hit him. That they know why he's being hit, and he accepts the judgment. And one more of a Colossian Dibur. So Diba, it says, Rashi says Dibas in Colossian Dibur Palaritz Balaz. It's called Palaritz, which means gossip. In Old French, it's called Palaritz. Kol Mashahayachal Adaber Behem Ra Hayamasaper. Anything he could say better than he would tell his father. So the Heilige Zayda Maharal says, Perish She'en Dibur Raklash and Dibur. A Diba means a word. Ve'en Lashon Cherpa or Giduf. It just means a word. It just means a report. It doesn't mean an insult or gossip. Because this way it says an evil report. However, the word Diba itself, so we're saying that Diba doesn't just mean a word. But the word Diba itself, gossip, is itself something evil. So what is Diva? The next Rashi says, Lashon Doivav Sifsei Yeshenim. This is similar to what it says, makes in Song of Solomon, chapter 7, verse 10, it says, make speak the lips of those that are asleep. So Shifarish, Hamem Shal Dibasam, Claim Mashahai Yachal Daber Behem, Shibasei Yusuk and Mem Shal Dibasam. So that's what it means with the word Dibasam, their Diba, their gossip, their report. Whatever you could say, that's what the end mem is. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment. We'll see you later.
We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kolakowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section, so you might have a video made just for you. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. God bless.
Yibunei HaMikdash, Hirtzia in the Maharal.